Hi guys, RETROCENGO here, playing around with one of my Commodore 64s. I just I found this cartridge between my cartridges. I actually used to use a cartridge like this, that's called Fastload. And it's really a fast loader. I mean, it's incredible how much it just accelerates the loading time. But now I just got this one. I used it for 2 minutes. I found out this one resets. I have never seen one of these before. It's called Power Cartridge, and it feels like I actually loaded one game only, and it feels like it's got a built-in fast loader, but I'm not sure. So if you know this card, if it's got a fast loader built in, please let me know. Also, on the Commodore 64, is there any, how should I say, different version or different speed of the fast loaders? I mean, if this one has got a fast loader, is it faster or slower than this one? I have no idea. So if there are different versions, it could be nice to know. Now this one, if I press on the yeah, you could see the name there actually. 2 seconds, guys. As you can see, KCS Power Cartridge from 1985. And if I press the button on the back side, I can choose some different things here. As you can see, continue. Can you read it? Yeah, continue, basic, reset, backup disk, reset all, hard copy, monitor. Power monitor 2.0. Okay, let's just, there we go. And it's got these different commands on the F7. As you can see, if I press F7, then it will read the directory and list what's inside the disk. That's really nice. And let's just load a game real fast now. And it's just, oh, I didn't see how many blocks, but it feels like it's got a built-in fast loader, but I'm not sure. So if you guys know anything about this product, please write it on the comments below. It could be fun to find out if you also use it. And I mean, the menu, it seems like with the built-in menu, I can copy some games and all that. But the important part is, and I don't know how to Google this, the important part is, I mean, the speed of the loading, these fast loaders, in the different versions, I mean, speed difference. I mean, already loaded, I mean, it really feels fast, but yeah, it's a nice one. So I just want to have it on YouTube, guys, and then show it to you. There we go. Yeah. It's a nice game, guys. Also nice music. It's an awesome one, actually. Bam! Alright guys, thank you for watching. Thank you for your time. Have a nice one. Bye.